Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing it. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a simple method of making cushion such that anybody can do it. What you need is just a scissor or a marker or a chalk piece and some waste cloths or waste sari material. What I gonna do is I gonna take this waste cloth from dress material and I just gonna mark it off like how much size I require to make my cushion. Guys, please forgive me for my focus area or clarity because I was the one who was self making this video in one clip. So please forgive me for this focus. I'm just marking off my size of cushion. Here goes, my mom is making this video now. Now I'm marking the size whichever or whatever size I required. Then I just cut it off. Guys, it's very simple such that anybody can do this. And here goes, I got two pieces. I made two pieces because the cloth is too transparent. Whatever the waste cloths or waste cotton which I fill into this might be visible. So I'm making a 2-layer of cloths. Now I'm showing with the fingers where I have to sew my cloth. I'm just folding and sewing those area. Means edges of my cloth. As I said you, I'm taking 2-layer of cloth and folding it off and sew over that area. I want this size and it's enough for me. If you want more size, you can use more cloth. Since this cloth is not ironed, I'm ironing it well such that my cushion should look somewhat good. I'm just ironing off because some wrinkles and all should be not visible on my cloth. And guys, now the sewing part is done. You can see I have done at the edges of my cloth and my finger is indicating. Now I'm gonna fold this vertically opposite direction like this. And what you need to do is you can fill a cotton or waste material. I'm filling waste cloth material. Guys, here I'm just giving an idea. It's a very simple method of doing questions. I'm just giving an overall idea. And by this you can try it off with different sizes, with different tassels and all. Once all the filling is done, just look off. It should be so puffy or it should be so fat, like it should give an outlook of cushion. Once it is done, I'm gonna sew my edges using the same color of thread. Guys, here go, I'm sewing at edges of my cushion. And now it's done. This is how it looks. And this is of waste cloth material. You can use any alluring cloth that you can make it of. And yeah guys, similar procedure repeats for this also. I just gonna cut and I just gonna fold it for my size, and I gonna sew. Once it is done, I gonna fill it by inverting it opposite direction. And this is a small petite cushion. And that's how you can do your cushions at home using a waste cloth. And similarly, by this method I have done many cushions, and guys, this is how it looks. And this green color, this is the one which I done now. And you can decorate yourself by lightning such that you can go and relax in that area. And for me, this is the place where I can chill. So this is my favorite place. You can try it out in your home, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.